Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson or in this video, we're looking at simplifying surds. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so we have a rule in surds that if you have AB, root AB equals root A times root B. I'm going to explain this with an example. So if I have root 36, okay, I can split that up into root 9 times root 4. If you notice, they are both squared numbers. Okay, so root 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 will give you 36, okay? And then root 9, the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so it means 6 equals 6. So that rule, this rule applies that root AB equals root A times root B. So you can simplify surds by splitting the numbers down. I'll show you in other examples, and this is just an introduction. So we're going to be using this rule as we go along, this one. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Example 1 then. We want to simplify root 12, okay? Root 12, we can have root 6 times root 2, because 2 times 6 is 12, and we want to simplify this. But if you notice, we cannot find the square root of 6 and the square root of 2. The answers are not integers, and we need integers. So we have to aim for squared numbers when we're simplifying surds, okay? So we can think of other numbers that can split down into 12, 4 and 3, okay? So because 4 is a squared number, so we're going to have root 4 times root 3. Okay, we always, if you are simplifying surds, always aim for the highest squared numbers. But if you can't find the highest one, aim for the easiest one you can see, and then you split it down or break it down as you go along. Okay, so root 4 is 2 times root 3. Okay, just like we do in algebra, we're going to remove the multiplication sign now. We're going to simplify it fully, so it's going to be 2 root 3. Okay, so we've gone for this because we opted for the squared number. So our aim when you're simplifying surds is to aim for the squared numbers. Okay, let's try another example. Simplify root 18. Okay, I know some of you are thinking 3 times 6 is 18, but don't forget, we are aiming to have a squared number in there, all right? So we're going to use root 9 times root 2. And root 9 is 3 times root 2. And that will simplify into, just like we do in algebra, we remove the multiplication sign, 3 root 2. Okay, let's try another example. I hope it's all making sense. If not, just leave a question down below or leave a comment. Root 32. Okay, so can you find the squared number in there? I know some of you are thinking 4 times 8. Yeah, that's good. 4 times 8 is good. Shall we try that? Okay, so let's try 4 times 8. I know some of you will have seen it differently. We're going to try other method as well for those of you that see it differently. All right. So root 4 times root 8, because 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, but we can still break down. We can still have a squared number with this root 8 when we break it down. So we're going to have root 4 times 8 will also give you root 4 times root 2. So root 4 times root 2. Okay, and then we can simplify that into root 4 is 2 times times 2 times root 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So that'll give you 4 root 2. Okay, but for those of you that saw it straight away, just going to do it on this side just to show that it depends on what you see quickly. All right, for those of you that saw it differently, it's root 16 times root 2. And root 16 is 4 times root 2. Gosh, what's happening here? 4 root 2, and that will be I don't know what's wrong with this laptop today. And that'll be 4 root 2. As you can see, we get the same answer. It doesn't matter how you get there, as long as you're comfortable, you're finding your squared numbers. Okay, some of you will have seen 4 times 8 easily, and some of you will have seen 16 times 2 easily. So it doesn't matter. All right, let's go to another example. I'll leave you to try this quickly on your own. Okay, have you had a go? All right. Did you do this? Did you say root 10? Yeah, did you say root 100 is 10? Root 7. Well done. Well done if you did. If you have any questions, you can leave it below, like I said. Ask any questions, leave a comment. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Sorry about the technical error. So like, share, subscribe, ask any questions relating to maths. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.